Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 4 of LeetCoding every day until I land a job. Today's problem is going to be LeetCode number 11, container with most water. So this is a medium problem, and I've not done this one before, so we're going to try and figure this out together. So you were given an integer array, height of length n, where there are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I0, okay, and height at I, okay. Find two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store, and you cannot slant the container. Okay, so let's look at this example. Okay, so we're gonna make a container with 8 and 7 because then it's 7 tall and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wide. 7 times 7, 49. Okay. The other option, let's see if we did this one. That's 8, but that's 8 by 5. So that's, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. So let's think about this. So one way to do this is, this is going to be a tough one to draw out actually. I think what we're going to want to do is, yeah, I'm going to try and draw this out. So if we have like a 1 here, 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 or something. I don't know. We could, measure this guy and then measure this and, and then increment this. That seems like a pretty bad idea. I think one way we could do is we could say, yeah, what if we do this? So here our height's 1. So we have a height of 1 and a length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8, and we could store that as our cur max. Okay, I'm liking this so far. Cur max equals 8. And then we could move this one because it's smaller than this. And then let's say this is, I don't know, 7. Now we have 7. Let's call this 6. So where we have a height of 6 and a width of 7. Is that how this would work? Yeah. So what's that, 42. So then our cur max would be 42. And then we'd want to move this one because it's smaller. That wouldn't be taller. That wouldn't be larger than our cur max. This would be 8 times, what we did before. So that wouldn't be larger. What do we do if they're the same size though? I don't know. I don't know if it matters. So let's just keep. Okay. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have 2 pointers, one that starts at the head, one that starts at the tail, and we're going to keep track of a current max height or current max volume, and then we're going to increase or decrease the appropriate pointer so that we can try and find the largest value. I think that makes sense. But yeah, so you could see like here we would have had a pointer at this and a pointer here. So we'd increase here, and then we'd get this area, store that as our current max. This one's smaller than this, so boom, calculate that area, move that there, calculate that area, and keep going and so forth. Okay, so, and then this will run in O of n time complexity. So we're gonna have int curmax 0, that's where we're gonna store the current maximum, and then we are going to have int, we're just gonna call it head, or P1, and then we're gonna have int P2 equals to height dot length minus 1, and then we're going to jump into our loop. We're going to just say while P1 not equals P2. Yeah, sure, why not? Not equals P2, and we'll have int temp, let's call it temp, equals so we're gonna say, well, we're just actually gonna create temp out here, and then what we could do, because we need to figure out which one of these is the smaller, so I think could just do like int height equals equals height at P1. So you could do like, is it larger than height at P2? But we're actually going to need to know which one to change. So I think would be a little bit better way of approaching this is do if the height at P1, P1 is greater than the height at pointer 2, what we're going to want to do is we're going to say temp equals the lesser value, which here is P2, multiplied by the length, which is going to just be, it's going to be P2 minus P1, and then we're going to, and then, oh sorry, not max area, curmax equals curmax larger than temp, if curmax is, sorry, curmax larger than temp, yes, take curmax, else take temp, and then we are going to have P2 minus minus, and then else, we're basically going to do the opposite, so temp equals P1 times P2 minus P1 to get our length, and then we're going to just copy that, and then we're going to say P1 plus plus, and then we just return the, what do we return? Sorry, we return the max area, right? So return curmax. Okay, let's see if that works. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? So, Okay, let me think about this really quick. So max area starts at 0. I'm not exactly sure what I did wrong. I'm trying to think. Sorry, guys. Let's see. So we have P2s to vary at 0. If the height of P1 is greater than the height of P2, our temp is going to be height of P2. Let's see what I did wrong. Height of P2. I just kept I was doing it off the value. Whoops. So basically, instead of here doing 7, I was getting whatever that is. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's what I was doing wrong. Just a little mistake there. And then if we submit, nice, and pretty good runtime. Let's see, it should just be O of N. Cool. Thank you for watching this video. Like I said in the other videos, just going to be doing different LeetCode problems every day until I land a job. If you have any recommendations for the channel or how I record these videos, anything, please leave them in the comments down below. And thank you for watching.